My name is Geraldine. I'm a party of one, and I have a house and amazing solar panels. I am in a community. It's very cozy and quiet. I wouldn't change it for anything in the world. My biggest frustration was that electric bill, and it has always been for years. It's $300, and it took my breath away. I did it for 25 years. I was like, it's got to be a better way. And I knew solar was the way, but could I afford it? My husband and I, we wanted solar. We talked about it. We didn't do anything. I just knew solar was, you save on electricity. I didn't understand how it worked. And as he started explaining it to me and how it actually worked, I got like a really good education behind it. It was just effortless, the entire process. He talked about Palmetto. You can buy them or you can lease them. The reason why I decided to go with leasing is because of my age. I really don't think it cost me anything up front. I have got to tell you how much my first bill was. You want to guess? $7. And all I could do was thank the Lord. The second bill was $20. $7 and $20 I'm just watching pennies. I knew the AC was going to act up at some point. And I just didn't want to think that I would be burdened with a really big bill. And we talked about what my needs were and how long I've had the AC. And he said, you really are at a point where this scale could tip. And when I heard Palmetto, I said, sign me up. Sign me up. I want everything just like it is. Palmetto, that thing I had was clingety-clang. With the Comfort Plan, everything is whisper soft. Whatever the temperature is set on, it is truly that temperature, not a big boost of cold, frigid air, and then you're warm again. I can almost smell the calm coolness that's not fluctuating. I'm just very, very, very satisfied. If something happens to the panels, they come and take care of it. So I don't have any worries. I'm carefree, sitting back and enjoying the ride. It's a no-brainer. I am 100+% satisfied with Palmetto, and my dream came true.